Hello, my friends. Let's practice two more phrasal verbs. These phrasal verbs are often, but not always, used with money. Let's start with pay back. Pay back is the present tense, and paid back is the past tense. Paid back. Let's look at an example of pay back. Can I borrow $5 from you? I will pay you back tomorrow. My friends, if you borrow something from someone, for example, if you borrow my phone or if you borrow money, there is always the expectation that you need to return it. You cannot keep it, but at some time you have to give it back. So that is exactly what pay back means. Pay back means that you return money after borrowing it. So in this example, if I borrow $5 from you, tomorrow I will pay back that money. I will return it to you. Give back is a similar phrasal verb. Pay back can only be used with money, but give back can be used for money or things like phones or other items that you borrow. So once again, pay back is with money only, but give back can be used for money or for other items that you borrow. Okay, my friends, now let's look at a funny phrasal verb. It's funny because it has two meanings that are very different. So, like I always say, context is important. The context of the conversation will help you decide what the meaning is of this phrasal verb. So, this phrasal verb is pronounced cough up. Cough up. In the past, it's coughed up. Coughed up. The ED has a T sound. Coughed. Coughed up. Now, you maybe use this verb in a health situation. If you cough, you are doing this. So this is very common to use when you are sick. I am coughing. But this is cough up. One of the contexts is still a health context for cough up. Let's look at an example. If you cough up blood, we need to go to the hospital. Ooh, I am sorry for this picture, my friends. But if you cough something up, it means that you are coughing so hard that you make something come out of your lungs when you cough. Maybe it is blood, maybe it is mucus, but it just means that you are coughing so hard that something is coming out of your lungs. Typically, we use it for blood or mucus, but it can also be something like water. If you accidentally drink water and it goes into your lungs, you need to cough up the water. So this is one situation where we use cough up. And again, it is about your body. It is about your health. So cough up can mean that, but we also can use it with money. And then it means something very different. Let's look at an example with money. I had to cough up $500 to pay for the repairs on my car. In this context, if someone uses cough up with money, it is not coughing like this. It has a very different meaning. If you use cough up, it means that you have to pay money for something, but you reluctantly pay money for something. If you reluctantly do something, it means you don't want to do it, but you have to. So it means that you are unwilling to pay the money. You don't want to, but you have to. For example, if a mechanic repairs my car, I have to pay the money. I must pay the money. I don't want to because, it is expensive, but I should. I have to pay the money back. A similar phrasal verb to cough up with money is fork over. So in this example, I can say, I had to fork over $500 to pay for the repairs on my car. So, my friends, if someone uses cough up or fork over with money, it means they must pay something, but they don't want to pay it. It's usually a big amount of money that they don't want to pay or they are reluctant to pay. If you look at the picture, maybe you can have a clear example of cough up or fork over as well. My friends, please let me know if you have any questions. Practice, practice, and never give up.